Melting snow combined with spring rain has led to rushing rivers and some flooding on Minnesota's North Shore. On Friday, some hiking trails at the popular Gooseberry Falls State Park had to be closed. The National Weather Service issued a flood watch for most of that area today.
Lisa Meadows takes us 40 miles northeast of Duluth, where the rushing water is attracting visitors.
Gooseberry Falls State Park is often packed with visitors flocking to hike its popular trails and take in beautiful sights along the North Shore. But this weekend, the Beaver River has been running more wild than ever.
I think this is the most we've seen it, the most water coming over at a time in all the years we've been coming.
Even the locals are astonished at the power of the raging water going over the falls right now. This has been a sight to see that started on Friday. Continued snow melt along with recent rains have inundated the river, flushing water over the falls at an extraordinary rate.
So the falls themselves are already kind of at their spring high level, and this 1.5 inches that we got here at the park just added to it.
Rising river levels have flooded out some of the more popular hiking trails, forcing them to be closed. Monday's weather system is bringing even more rain to the region, like nearby Split Rock. It could add another 1 to 1.5 inches to the already saturated area. A flood watch has also been issued, which goes into Tuesday morning. Officials are warning visitors to obey warning signs for closed trails and roads.
If there's water across the road, please don't travel through it, because you just don't know if it's been washed out or if there's a culvert that failed, and then put yourself in jeopardy and harm.
With photojournalist Drew Shingen, Lisa Meadows, WCCO News.
The rain is wrapping up, which should hopefully start to dry out some of those trails. Officials do urge visitors to call ahead, though, to confirm park conditions.